All right, what is going on, folks? I'm Terry here, Passive Income Guru. Hope you guys are doing well this afternoon. And today we're talking once again about the Sauce EA. Now, if you're new to, if you're on my channel on YouTube, if you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel. The whole name of the game of this channel is to bring you different offers that's going to give you passive income. Okay. Now, if you're on Facebook, make sure you head over to YouTube and you subscribe to my channel, which is the Passive Income Guru. And you're going to get a plethora of information that's going to give you passive income ideas for this year, for many years to come. But I'm always looking ahead and working, guys, to bring the next best thing when it comes to passive income. All right. So today we're talking about a EA, or a expert advisor in the Forex market that trades automatically. Okay. Now, you guys are probably wondering, well, there's a lot of EAs out here, and how is this one different? How's the sauce going to provide me something different? Well, I'm going to show you today. I'm going to show you, not only I'm going to show you why it's different, I'm going to show you happy customers, and I'm going to show you a real beta tester. Now, I have several beta testers that we're currently gathering data to bring the information on FX books for you. So I have one today so far, and I'm going to be bringing more to you. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Again, welcome to the video. If you're here, welcome. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. You're in for a treat. If you've been, you've been on my Facebook and we just became friends, or we've been friends for a while, you've been seeing the sauce all over the Facebook wall, and that's for a reason. Okay, that's for a good reason. So let's go ahead and share the screen, and you guys should be able to see my screen. Now, let me look at something real quick before I do this. Awesome. So I'm in a gold trade right now, and this sucker is finally dropping, as you can see. This is one of the tools I use to trade, but look at this. Perfect M. Boom, it's coming on down. I need to come on down here, son. I need to come on down. Come on down. All right, let's get into it, guys. All right, so let's talk about the sauce. Again, the sauce, guys, is a peculiar expert advisor in the Forex realm. If you're new to Forex, or if you're a seasoned Forex trader, this is going to, can't even spell here. This is going to help you out. This is going to help you make some what I call background income or passive income while you're trading or while you're doing anything else. Okay. Now, three components that the sauce has, guys. There's three components. I want to do different colors so you can kind of see the dynamics here. So three components. So first of all, the sauce does recognize trend. Okay, that's the first thing. The sauce EA does recognize trend. Number two, the sauce EA is also, you can set it up as a scalper. Okay, it was designed to trade on the 1 minute time frame. So we have specific settings in our group that we share with every customer, and there's two separate settings. One type of setting is for those who are into prop firms and things like that, and then another settings is for those who are using regular brokers. Okay, so we have two specific settings that you will end up using. Okay, so again, the sauce EA. The sauce EA is it recognized trend. It is a scalper, or you can make it out of a scalper. All right, and the last thing is it has a martingale feature to it. Okay, and that's pretty much, if you don't know what martingale is, martingale deals with recovery trades at certain levels. Okay, but the sauce doesn't just place recovery trades, guys. It recognizes levels in the market, and then it will place a recovery trade or with martingale. Okay, so these three components is what the sauce comes with. Okay, now I've been getting this question pretty much every day. How much do I need to start my account with the sauce? If you're going to do regular pairs like Euro JP, Euro USD, UCAD, AUD USD, right? Truth be told, you can start with little as $100, but I recommend you start with as little as $300, between $300 and $500. Okay. Now, if you're going to trade indices, US 30, NAS 100, etc., you're going to need at least 1K to 2K in your account. Why? Because the volatility of indices are more than your regular pairs. They move faster. It's just all around. The way they move is you need that cushion. You absolutely need that cushion. Okay, very, very important. So you're going to pretty much say, okay, I want to trade indices. Oh, the other thing you want to have at least 1 or 2K with is gold, ladies and gentlemen. Gold. It's also a volatile pair. So gold, US 30 NAS, and all your indices, 1 or 2K. Your regular pairs, a minimum, the barest minimum, $100, but 300 to 500 is sufficient. Okay, it's sufficient. Now, that's pretty much the rundown on the sauce. The cost of the sauce, ladies and gentlemen, right now it's a whopping $300 one time. Okay, and next month that price is going to increase to $500. So right now you got a pretty good deal. Right now you can get it for $300, and again next month it's going to increase to $500. Okay. The other thing is, well, let's get into some results. Okay, let's get into some results. If you're new to trading and you don't understand what I just said here, don't worry. Just get with me. I can answer some questions. But pretty much, what a trend. If it's an uptrend or downtrend, that's what a trending is. Scalping is basically when you're getting in and out of the market, maybe a very quick 10 to 20 pips. As a matter of fact, with the sauce, it doesn't even move that far. We can get you to where it can even slice that down, where you're getting small little profits, which adds up over time. Okay. And then martingale is basically if the market goes against you, say the bot, well, say the market is in an uptrend, but the bot has you in a sell, right? Which is, it happens at times, right? Again, it does recognize trend. Then basically the bot will start to place recovery trades to bring you back down to base so that you can recover in profit. Okay. The other thing is this: we found in our back testing the times on running the sauce. Some of the best times, or the best time, is starting around 7 p.m. around Asian, all the way up to 8 a.m. Okay, or you can do 7 p.m. to about 2 to 3 a.m. That's the times that we back tested. That's been pretty profitable. We got folks in our group that's also doing a New York session, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, which is a little bit more volatile than these time frames. But if you come in to the New York session, for example, and you want to trade a volatile pair, understand this, that the opening bell of the New York session is volatile. You want to wait at least maybe an hour after everything settles to turn your bot on. Okay. Now, if you're doing regular pairs, Again, you probably can wait about 30 minutes to turn the bot on, and then maybe turn your bot on either the 5-minute or the 15-minute time frame. And if you're doing a volatile pair, probably the more than likely to be safe, the 15-minute time frame. Now, if you're here between the Asian session and the London session, the 1-minute time frame will be sufficient. But again, if you're going to do the New York session along with everything else that you've done here, you want to kind of mess with the time frames and increase the time frame a little bit, especially on the volatile pairs. Okay, so hopefully you understood that. So now let's go to some results. Okay, Telegram group right here. Let me go ahead and open this up a little bit. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's a Telegram group. Hopefully you can see this. Telegram group is the Sauce EA. I just posted this right here. Actually, no, that wasn't me. That's not me at all. This is another one. This is one of our members right here. They said since the opening bell right here, it looks like they've made $370. Oh, this looks like a funded challenge. So they've made $370 today so far, ladies and gentlemen, hands-free, phenomenal. As you can see, they're using volatile pairs, okay, which is okay. Here's my post right here, $1,000 account, 2% gain so far today. It's over that now. If I look at it right now, it is at 21, a little over $21 right now, okay? So a little bit over 2% for the day. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. Here's another one of our members. I caught the New York session on this one. $4.02 profit, trading gold. All right. Another member here started last Friday, 30% gain in 4 days of trading. Look at this. $303. 30% gain, ladies and gentlemen, in 4 days. It's another member right here. $1,000 day right here. Pretty sure he's probably on the funded challenge as well. $1,000 day. Woke up to 10% on my $1,200. That's pretty dang good. $126.19. 10% gain, guys. You're not going to get that from a bank. All right. We got what was this? $92.56. That's a 9% gain right there, guys. $1,000 account. He ran it from 7 p.m. Like I told you guys. He ran it from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. $1,000 account, made $92, guys. A little over 9% gain. Now I got to give a disclaimer. As always, when it comes to investing, guys, all these results are not typical. Your results will vary depending on your risk level, depending on your balance, depending on a lot of different factors. I get people all the time ask me, how much can I make? There's no secret answer to that. Okay. We're dealing with investing. It changes every single day. All right. Let's keep going. This person made 179. Okay. So this was the same guy earlier. All right. This person is trading some different pairs. As you can see, guys, the Sauce EA trades every pair, any pair. So you got some GBP in there, you got some UJ in there, got some gold in there. Made almost $80 for the day. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. Okay. Give you one more here. Man, that rain coming down. You guys probably hear that. One more here, guys, and we can go all day. $360 a day, guys. Trading US 30 cash. Got to bring my dog in. She don't like the rain. One more. $500 account, $46 in profit. That's dang near 10% of that account. Okay. So let's go ahead and close out of this here. Close out. Boom. All right, guys. So let's go to one of our beta testers here, FX Books. Go ahead and refresh this real quick. Gosh, boy, they grade coming down like somebody opened up a faucet or something. Let's go to the case study. All right, 30% gain right here, $1,000 deposit, 30% gain, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see today, 10% gain for the week, over 23%, almost 24% gain for the week, guys. Okay, and then a total 30%. Okay, so this is one of our case study folks here. We got more beta. Well, he's a beta tester. Got more coming to you for this. Okay, let me check on my goal here. Goal is came on down. A little retracement. All right. Any questions, guys? That's pretty much it. So let's I'd like to do this last, kind of show you the the potential of this, right? Now if you go to, let's go back to FX book. So this guy here, right? He's at 10% for the day. Now what if you did that what if you did that in a month? It's still good, right? What if he did that in a month and a half? Still great, but he did it in a week. Now he's trading again one of the volatile pairs, which is gold. If you decide to do a volatile pair, your percentage rate of what you will make in a month, of course, is going to probably be higher. If you go with a regular pair and it's more conservative, right? You're more conservative. You may come out at 5% for the month, 8% for the month, 10% for the month. Okay. So let me give you the bare minimum. Let me give you the bare minimum per month, which I'm going to do 10. Okay. So let's say we start with $1,000 balance and we're averaging 10% a month. Okay. Which is very, very doable. Can I guarantee you're going to make 10% in a month? I cannot. Is it doable? Is there potential? Is the potential there? Absolutely. And let's say you do that for 12 months, a whole year. Okay, so after a year, your $1,000 is going to be over $3,000. Not, it's like, okay, it's not a lot, right? Well, let's say you do that again. Do it one more time or a few more times, right? You put that same 31, 38 right here. Now let's do it. Let's do it. Again, guys, the power of compounding your money is phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Okay. Calculate. Now what we got? Now we got then your $10,000, right? One more time. One more time. Okay. This is 3 years. So after your $1,000, after 3 years, making a minimum, keyword minimum of 10% a month is going to yield what? Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. 30,000. 30. That's right. 30. You can see it right here. That's 3 years. That's 3 years of your money working for you. $1,000 only. At a minimum increase. At a minimum increase of 10% per month. Absolutely phenomenal. Okay. You see, guys, the power of compounding. You look at a 401k, for example, you're not going to get this in 3 years. By far. Okay. So Forex trading is where you want to be. And if you can automate it while you're perfecting the manual side of things, it is a sweet, sweet deal. Okay. So I'm going to stop sharing. That's all I had today on the sauce. I pretty much covered some parameters. If you guys got any questions, let me know. I'm going to stop this here. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Yep, we do have some questions. All right. What's going on, Bobby? What's going on, Derek? All right, question from Derek. What lot size are they trading at? Now, everybody's using different parameters, Derek. I don't know what everybody's using, but we give everybody suggestions on what to do depending on their lot size, right? I mean, depending on their account size. So if you got $1,000 account and you're trading gold, for example, you want to start out at a micro lot, okay, 0.01 to be conservative. Will some people go beyond that? Yes, everybody has different risk takes. So, but we recommend you start at 0.01 and with indices as well. Okay. Hopefully it answers your question. Sun Mech, I think that's how you say your name. Where can you get it? Sun Mech, I'm going to leave a link below this video, or you can go to one of the previous Sauce EA videos and look below the video, and the link is right there, sir. Okay. All right. Bobby Daniels, is there an affiliate program to this opportunity? So me and my partner, we haven't put together a program affiliate opportunity yet for this, but we're eventually we're going to. It probably won't be ready, or we probably won't be ready to do it until either next month, late next month, or going into early May. Okay. Because there's a lot to go with that, right? You got to make sure that you got the right processors and be able to pay people. It's a lot in that. So yeah, we're looking into doing that, Bobby, but we don't have anything right now. Jabari Fox, can it pass challenge? Yes, we've had people, for example, we've had people with FTMO accounts that has passed the FTMO accounts, and they are currently managing their accounts with the bot. So yes, it can, as long as so here's the stipulation though, Jabari, and for everybody else, because I do get that question every day too about challenges. The stipulation is, let me share my screen again. Let me show you. All these prop firms have strict rules, right? All of them have strict rules. So here's what you want to check in the facts before you decide to put this software on a prop firm. You want to make sure, first of all, that the prop firm allows scalping, and they allow, most of all, martingale trading. Okay, you're going to see in some of the prop firms they will say no martingale trading. Okay, so if they allow this and this, you're good. If they don't get it. Simple as that. Okay. All right. More questions. Okay, here we go. We got Juicing Time. Hopefully I'm saying your name right, my man. Easy to set up or install or phone. Yes, we actually help you set it up. That's the good thing about this. We actually help you set this thing up. So you're not by yourself. When you purchase it, you're not alone. We're going to help you set it up. Okay. Peter, on average, how long did it take them to pass their challenge? I'm not too sure. I'll have to ask them, to be honest with you. I'm not sure how long it took. But let me paint a picture. Oh my goodness. let me paint a picture for you. Let me paint a picture for you. 1 second. Let me share my screen again. Share. Think of it. Okay, so if you say you get a prop firm, right? Let's get this color here. Say the prop firm is 100,000. Okay. The first phase, they give you 30 days to hit your target of usually 8%. 8% of 100K is $8,000. So what's 8,000 divided by 20 trading days? 20 days of trading. That's $400. So your goal, your target goal on that 100K on a minimum every day is to hit $400 a day. That's not even 1% of 100K. And your goal should be to hit at least 1% a day. So if you can do a minimum of $400, which guys, I'm very confident you can do it with the sauce, then you will hit your target goal in 20 days. So look at it like that. Okay. Look at it like that. All right. Good question, Peter. Steven Brown, what's up, bro? This bot has to be turned on and off, man. Yes, yes. So say you hit your target for the day and you say, you know what? I hit my target. I hit 1% for the day, 2% for the day. I'm done. Yeah, you just turn it off. Turn off the auto trading. You're done. Okay, you're done. All right. Siraj. Hi, bro. Is this kind of a bot where it takes care of everything of its own after we set the lot size? Oh, we have to follow the trends on the yeah, it takes care of, yeah, when you set it up, it will take care of itself. Okay. It'll take care of itself. Absolutely. How much is the max drawdown? That depends. Again, everybody's risk level is going to be different. Okay. So there's no specific drawdown. You know, you may see 5%, you may see 10%, heck, you may see 20% drawdown, depending on your risk level. Okay. And depending on the market conditions. Okay. Drawdown, guys. Drawdown doesn't mean you've lost the trade. Okay. Drawdown just means the trade goes against you. That's what drawdown is. I'm used to drawdown. I invite drawdown because I know eventually if everything is right, if the analysis is right, if you're manual trading, or if you're practicing risk management, even on EAs, expert advisor, you still, even though it's a software and a robot, ladies and gentlemen, you still have to treat it like you're really trading and be disciplined. Okay, don't try to up the lot size and try to hit a big bag because it's a robot. No, you got to treat this just like you use manual trading. Okay. Angie, what is the minimum monetary amount that you can put in? Okay, so I shared that earlier, Angie. If you're doing regular pairs, the bare minimum $100, but I recommend $300 to $500. If you're doing indices like US 30, NAS, gold, you want at least $1,000 to $2,000 in your account. All right. Jabari TV, can it hit 1% per day? Absolutely. I just showed proof that we've had many members that hit 1 or 2% or more in a day. Okay. So yes, the answer is yes. To make 1% a day, how much drawdown? Again, with the drawdown, we can't give you a specific number on how much the drawdown is going to be to hit 1% a day. Is the bot has a stop? So the bot doesn't have a stop loss. The 2.0 version will have a stop loss, but at this point it doesn't. This one doesn't have a stop loss. Can you show some trade history on the screen, please? So I don't know how you say your name, but I just showed some. Did you come on late, my friend? Did you come on late? I just showed the case study of my FX books, and I showed the Telegram. Make sure you just go back and rewind the video. Okay, if you came on late, just go back and rewind the video. You'll see some history, trade history from our customers, and then you'll see from one of our beta testers his FX books. Okay. Can you have more than one account? You can have more than one account, but it's going to, if you want to trade 2 different accounts, say you want to trade your regular account and a prop firm account, you're going to need 2 licenses. You're going to need 2 licenses. Okay. And the first license, of course, right now is 300. The second license, each license after that is $50. What, according to you, is the best pair to trade with the bot, and what is the suggested equity amount to trade on? That's a hard question. That is a hard question. I mean, I would say many people in our group are liking gold, so gold is a good one. Any of the, like I say, any of the pairs, guys, are great. It depends on how, like, what your goals are, right? If you're trying to get 5% a week potential, you may need a volatile pair. If you're more conservative and you will take 10% a month all day, Euro USD, UCAD, AUD USD. Okay. All right. The stop loss, we don't have a stop loss, but we do have a take profit. We do have a TP. What broker do you recommend? So the broker is really up to you, but I have a broker. So there's one out there called Cedar FX. Okay, you can use Cedar. We got people using Hugo's Way. I use Prosperity FX. You know, hey, so whatever you want to use is up to you, right? Make sure the leverage is at least 1 to 500. So that's recommended. Okay. Good questions, guys. Any more questions? Any more questions? All right. So if you guys are good, again, if you came on late, make sure you go back and watch the replay. That's the great thing about video. You can watch the replay. Okay. So to buy the bot $300 and to get the license, no. It's all the same. To buy the bot is $300, then you get the license. So it's all $300. So it's all the same, Angie. It's all the same. Yes, sir. Rasmus, I just showed the FX books from one of our students. Well, not students. Case study, folks. Just rewind the video a little bit. You'll be able to see that. $300 for a lifetime. That's correct. It's all yours. Once you pay $300, it's all yours. That is correct. All right. All right, folks. So I'm going to go ahead and end it here. If you got any more questions, please reach out to me on Facebook. And or you can book a time to speak with me on my calendar. I'll leave all that information below my YouTube videos. Okay. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, the bot right now is $300. Okay. And that price is going to increase next month. So make sure you get your copy, get your license. As you saw in the group, people are loving it. People are winning. That's what it's all about. Love seeing that. Okay. So guys, thanks for watching. Let's get saucy with it. Let's get saucy with it and get your license today. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.